Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, his opponent standing across the cage and fighting out of the blue corner needs no introduction. Please make some noise for Paul Burr!
Hey, what's up, everybody? First off, I just want to thank everybody for coming, from my friends, my family, fans of the sport, everybody that's came to support people they know in the fights and the WWFC. I also want to thank all the sponsors that helped make this event possible, and I hope everybody's having a good time. You know, I'm explosive in my hands, I move my head well, and in my heart I know how to stay unemotional. You know, I go out there and I'm not mad. I don't have to fight angry. I don't have to fight with any emotions to hurt somebody. I don't have to feel anything. So I just come out, I be myself, and move my head, slip some punches, and have some fun out there. And I just think I'm going to be a little too quick and a little too clever. Scott Kinzebach.
My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me yes. Baby, I don't want to hurt nobody, but there is something that I must confess.
The Commission, Uncle Paulie, P. Diddy, Caesar Leo, De Janeiro, Charlie Baltimore, Iceberg Slim, The Most Shady, Frankie Baby. We do you know what beef is? Do you know what beef is? Ask yourself, do you know what beef is? Check out this bizarre rapper style, use my weed. The B.I.G. I put my key, you get your key in. Money will be seeing, release the fucking ceiling. Check it, my calico been top. This rap out with Hitchcock, drop top notch. Playing it, we won't stop. This instant, rappers too persistent. Took the spit, Biggie name on shit. Make my name taste like ass when you speak it. See me in the street, your jewelry, you can keep it. That be our little secret. See me, B that is, I that is, G Wiz. Motherfuckers still in my biz. Don't they know my nigga gonna fucking kidnap kids? Fuck them in they ass, throw them over the bridge. That's how it is. My shit is laid out. Fuck that beef shit. That shit is played out. Y'all got to go. All I make is one phone call. All y'all disappear by tomorrow. All your guns is power. I don't feel sorry. Actually, your man passed the cat to me. Now check this.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. This bout is sponsored by Tokyo Steakhouse, bringing a bit of the East to the Midwest, featuring the best steak and sushi, Tokyo Steakhouse. Introducing first, fighting out of the red corner, this fighter hails from Oskaloosa, Iowa. He's a freestyle fighter, fighting for the Fearless Fight Team. He stands 6 foot tall. Weighing at 156 pounds, he has a pro record of 7 wins and 5 losses. Please make some noise for Scott Kinzebach! His opponent, standing across the cage and fighting out of the blue corner, hails from Des Moines, Iowa. He's a freestyle fighter, fighting for Team Round Kick. He stands 5'9". He also weighed in at exactly 156 pounds. He has a pro record of 8 wins and 3 losses. Ladies and gentlemen, you know him, you love him, make some noise for Paul, the Kinzebach Bird! This is in the lightweight pro division, scheduled for 3 rounds, 5 minutes of action. It is also sanctioned by the Iowa State Athletic Commission. Our ring official is Joe McBurney.